Mama Needs a Project, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super cute holiday wreath with some pom-poms, cute little wooden garland, and even a hot pink bow on the bottom here. It is a super easy tutorial. It should go pretty quick, but I do have a couple things I want to tell you before we get started. So my fast forwarding friends, you hold on just 1 second, okay? I can see you. Just kidding, that was weird. Okay, whatever. Anyways, below the video, I'm gonna drop a supply list so you'll know what you need to make it. And then I'll put a couple links below the video. The first one will be for my pom-pom templates. It's a little template that you can use to make your own pom-pom maker, and it's what you'll see me make in the video. You can make your own at home, super easy, out of cardboard. And I have a couple templates on my website that you can download and then make your own pom-pom templates, your own pom-pom makers. Yeah, it's super easy, but I'll put that link below. And then in that link, you can also download the template to make the bow for the wreath. It's just my little hand-drawn bow shape that I used for my little pom-pom wreath. And that's all I have to tell you. See, super, super fast. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions at all, just drop them below and I'll get right back with you. And I will talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.